Hello everyone, your Excel wizard here today teaching you about a really cool function called the concat function, and that's spelled C-O-N-C-A-T. And the first thing that I'd like to point out is that this concatenate is just an older version of this. The concat name just comes from, again, an updated name. So we'll hit our tab button, we'll come over here to our function arguments, and we'll see that the concat function just concatenates a list or a range of text strings. So for example, I want to concatenate first name Lightning, last name McQueen. And so I'll hit enter and Lightning McQueen will pop up. And at the moment, if you're thinking that this seems pretty useless because you can just type in whatever you want to type in, you'd be absolutely right. But where this becomes valuable is when you have data like this, where a first name column, for example, and a last name column, where you want a full name. So here I can hit concat and I can just choose cell B1 and cell A2 and cell B2, and I will have Jerry Smith, a combination of first and last name. And if I want to put a space in between it, all I got to do is come in here to my second argument, put a space bar in quotes. Put a space bar in quotes and hit enter. And I'll get Jerry space Smith, and I can flash fill that down for all of my characters here. But this doesn't just stop with data or values in a tab or in a workbook. You can actually get pretty creative with this. So I'll put in another concat function. I'll go again, cell A2, cell B2, and then what I want to do is in quotes, I want this to be an email. So I'm going to type in at character.com. And so you'll see here that when I hit enter, not only does it concatenate the first and last name, but it added that at character.com. And so, of course, this is not a real email, but if you have to do something for work or your boss or a coworker or something asks to create emails or to create what emails would be for, all your coworkers or everybody in the company or whatever, this is exactly how you do it. So you can get pretty creative with this. You can also kind of combine it with other cells, other functions, other whatever you want to do. But as far as just strictly the concat function goes, that's all there is to know. And so I'd appreciate you leaving the like button if you found this video helpful. And if you'd like to continue to learn more about Excel functions like this falls into the beginner series. I also have an intermediate and an Excel series that you are more than welcome to check out. So as always, thank you.